What are you doing?
Put it on now.
Yeah, we can't put that in our mouth. Why? Make us sick?
Yeah.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Wait a minute.
Can you say Okie dokie?
Okie dokie.
Can you say
See?
Imagination?
Nancy.
Can you say Feliz Navidad?
Nancy. Night.
How do we say I love you in sign language?
Bobby.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, very good. You're doing a good job. Say, I love you.
I love you.
Say, hi, Auntie. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah.
Can Hannah say, hi, Auntie?